What's up, everybody? It's Nate with Sonic Electronix. Man, I'm so excited. Ryan's probably tired. I'm tired from walking, but he's probably tired because he did this install here. It was awesome. You're gonna see it here on this video. Ryan, talk us through what you installed here a little bit ago.
So basically what we did is we took our brand new bike. We just bought this. This is Diamond Audio's latest and greatest show bike. It's a trike. It's an RG3 2025. So what we did was we installed our MSHD14 factory replacement radio, plug and play. We added our new Neo 6.5s that are in a shallow.
Super loud.
Very loud. Brand new speaker just came out. We make it into standard and we also make it into shallow. This guy here is the shallow. This drops directly into the factory pods with no modification.
That's awesome.
Okay, yeah, we actually did this install right here on the show floor with minimal amount of tools.
Yeah, we're going to show that video.
Yeah, you guys have to kind of watch it.
Yeah, in the same video, we're going to show this for you guys.
What's really unique about this speaker is that this is a continuation of our Neo line, right? So this is our higher end motorcycle speaker. What's cool is we've got right behind the Flying D Diamond logo, there's a waterproof membrane that keeps the horn waterproof, so it keeps the water out of it. We've got the rubber gasket around the pole piece so that you don't get water in this. So this thing you can ride this in the rain.
I love it.
And you still get this speaker here paired with one of our amplifiers, 80 miles an hour, full face helmet, you can still hear your music.
Not just for parking lot pimping, for the
right,
guys
not
also
for parking lot pimping, but for that.
So I have a question for you regarding the install, just as we think about it. We're not going to put the whole install on this video, but start to finish earlier, you know, I was clocking it. I mean, you're flying through it, you're a pro on it, but how long did it take you to do start to finish? Because you did a radio, you got 2 speakers, and correct me if I'm wrong, but you also got the amplifier, the wiring, everything.
Correct.
You had nothing to start with today when we started watching you. So how long did it take you start to finish to do?
So for me, it took me about 45 minutes to an hour to get everything done.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and you know, this is a simpler system because it's only a 2-channel.
So you're on a level 10 on DIY, especially with this. I'm a level 2 on DIY. Right. How long does it take for me, and do you have instructions per bike or not yet? We don't have instructions yet.
So what we do is we've got some great online videos that you can watch. You know, your YouTube videos are great because we can fast forward, rewind, rewatch, do all those things. It's a little nicer than having to read a manual. But yeah, we've got everything available. All of our wiring and everything is plug and play.
Got it.
So
everything you use, you have to cut anything.
Nothing. I didn't cut a single wire on
That's
here.
awesome. And so from start to finish for you is you said an hour?
Yeah, about an hour.
45 minutes, an hour. For me, maybe it's a couple hours.
Who's not nearly as experienced or a great DIY guy who's used to working on their bike, maybe 2 hours.
Got it. Yeah, and you know, usually Harley owners out there, you get your hands dirty a little bit. So there you go.
We've got some great videos on how to tune the amplifier so you don't blow the speakers and things like that as well, available online.
So, and this bike, for the owners of this style of bike, this is pretty much the best audio upgrade you can get.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. And for the other solutions out there, you can get different levels, right? You can add, obviously, other pieces to the puzzle.
Yeah, if we had bags, we would have done some 6x9 cut-ins. But this doesn't. This is a trike with no rear audio. We will be, in the future, adding, using our Diamond Audio lowers pods. We're going to integrate with the factory lower fairing. They're on order. We didn't get them before the show.
I love it.
So all right, well, by the time you see us next time, there'll be lowers on
I love it. We'll get that on video too next time. Thank you so much, Ryan. Appreciate it.
Thank you.